Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another amazing... My camera is not leveled. So, welcome back to another video. My name is Smokey. Follow me on Instagram. Smokey SMP. Well, in today's video, you might have seen in the thumbnail, I've got myself a PlayStation 5. Now, we're gonna unbox it. Not gonna play it because, well, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I didn't buy it to play on it. I bought it to destroy it. So not sure what I'm gonna do with it. Gonna run it over with my car, maybe blow it up, or use some kind of shredder device and let's get it into some small pieces. Look what I got. Well, I didn't get it really cheap because yeah, I bought it from a friend, and my friend, you can have good friends, but if your friend pre-ordered one like 1.5 years ago, he's not gonna give it to you for the price he paid for it. So I paid, can't really say it, but it's about 3 times as much as a normal PlayStation price just to unbox it for you guys. So yeah, and I'm gonna destroy it afterwards. So pretty good investment, right? So here it is. What's in the box? So let's clear the table here. Some stuff going on. Look at that. A box inside a box. They wrap these things like crazy. Oh, I think we got the controller here. Pum pa pum pum. Looky looky. Nice. I do like that blue light. That PlayStation blue light is like really awesome. And what's in this box? Yep. What the hell is that? Disc or something? Ah! Oh, it's to set it up straight or sideways. Sideways? And then you can twist it and put it on flat ground. Neato. And you get a cheap, yeah, it's not even coppered or golden HDMI cable, so you get this awesome computer device that's got like graphics you have never seen before, and they add this cheap, yeah. So that's about it. Oh, we got another cable. Yeah, we got a small USB to USB-C cable. That's about it. 2 cables, controller, 3 manuals. This thing is heavy as hell. This thing is heavy. Really surprised me how heavy it is. God dang it. Something. Don't really need that. Don't really need that. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time, you know. Just want to see me unbox it. Or not. This is looking kind of neato. This is like laser engraved, so you can put your finger in there and you might bleed. Neato. Dirty fingers all over the place, like those piano black colors. They're never a good idea to have on. The rear has got a lot of coolant stuff. And that's all there is to say, actually. Like, it's white. It has this laser engraved hole in it that gives you the PlayStation mark, and that's about it. So, controller, PlayStation, controller, PlayStation. Set up straight, put down flat. one cheap USB-C and one cheap HDMI cable, and that's about it. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. Not gonna waste your time anymore. It's a PlayStation 5. That's what you get in the box. That's what you get in the box. This and that beast. Subscribe, make sure to like this video, and leave a comment. Did you buy a PlayStation 5 or not? Be honest, did you buy one? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and talk to you guys later. Peace.